So I wake up this morning, I'm looking at my Discord chat, and I see someone mention KL with the whole emoji with the little water droplet. I'm like, oh God, what's going on here? And I look at the news for KL or Kirkland Lake Gold, and I see that they're getting bought out by a competitor and the stock is down, and I'm confused. I'm like, how are they getting bought up but they're down? Well, in a weird scenario, they're actually merging at a discount to what they were trading at. So in this video, we're gonna talk about the merger news a little bit and why I sold off my entire position. The name of the firm that's buying them is Agnico Eagle, and it's another gold mining company in Canada, and they're buying the company in an all-stock deal for $10.68 billion. And the discount was around 9% to what Kirkland was trading at. And I understand the rationale behind the merger of these companies, as now they don't have to compete for additional exploration sites. They also can have synergies, so use best practices from both companies, or if there's one site that is more valuable, they can combine their resources to really go after the best opportunities. And yeah, usually I'm used to seeing a company that's getting bought out be sold at a premium of 10, 20, 30% above its current trading price. Of course, that's not what happened. And I think everyone knows why they sold themselves for a discount. It's because they're Canadians and they're too nice to sell themselves at a premium.
That's what Canadian hospitality is all about. If you like, you can have all my money and my legs.
So currently Kirkland Lake is trading at $40.24. You can see that 1 day drop overnight, and it's trading around that 10.7 billion, which makes sense because that's what the deal is for. Now, I'm no conspiracy theorist, but if we look at Monday's open, when this thing shot up to 46 on not really any news, gold didn't shoot up in pricing, this kind of tells me that someone knew a deal was going down. Now, they didn't probably know that the deal was going to happen at the $10.7 billion valuation, and that's why it's come down. But it's just funny to me that it shot up to 46. And yesterday I was looking at KL thinking, oh my God, what's going on here? Maybe I should sell some. I don't really know or understand what's going on. If we look at when I was actually interested or looking at the stock, it was back at the beginning of July when it was trading under $40. And here's my Fidelity account showing when I bought all the Kirkland Lake that I had in the portfolio. Bought a chunk in the beginning of July or midway through, and towards the end of July also bought some additional shares to get to around 1.5 1.7% of the portfolio. And you can see today I decided just to sell all of it. Luckily, we still made money on the overall position, which was a whopping 70-cent short-term profit. So pretty much broke even on this one. Unfortunately, the news coming out, like I said, caps the upside for me. So I don't really want to hold onto the shares, because when I analyzed this company, it was just Kirkland Lake Gold. And I thought it was undervalued compared to its competitors in the industry. Now it merging with another company complicates things, and I just don't want to hold this thing. Now, at a later point, I could analyze the combined company to see if I still think it's worth something. But for now, I just decided I want to sell everything and just get out of the position. Something else to mention is that the stock actually went ex-dividend today. So if you own shares before today, then you are going to get a cash payment for each share that you owned of around 19 cents per share. That's about $4.70 to add on top of that 70-cent profit. So we have enough money now to go to Subway and buy a sandwich. If you're one that wants to hold on to the shares and get shares in the new combined company, well, it's not final, right? They still have to vote on it. So around 66% of the votes of shareholders need to agree to this merger. Once that goes through, the expected merger would happen sometime in the fourth quarter of 2021 or around the first quarter of 2022. But I think the merger is pretty much a lock, because also built in within this agreement is a $450 million termination fee, which is a pretty big chunk of change for the size of these companies. At the end of the day, we didn't lose any money. So I guess the good news is now we've raised a little bit of cash in the portfolio that we can redeploy into other positions that we want to invest in for the long term. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to hit that like button, as well as consider subscribing to Main True Wolf, where we talk investing, stock options, anything to do with money. Thanks guys for watching, and have a great day.